explorers, welcome back to our channel. So, let's begin with the new topic, that is sound of vowel I. So, what do we have to sound whenever we read the vowel I? So, that is what we are going to read in this chapter. So, let's begin with the read alouds first of all, which says L-I-D, lid, Z-I-P, zip, S-I-P, sip, L-I-P, lip, F-I-G, fig, S-I-T, sit. After that, now we have some sing alouds. So, let's begin with the sing aloud and sing it together. So, I am, unless I am a little fool, I should be glad to go to school. There I learn to read and write, not to be rude but polite. Right? So, इसे पढ़कर आपको पता चला होगा कि wherever we have the vowel I, what sound we have to give it to the word. Right? After that, next we have some phonic drills. Let's begin with the phonic drills now. So, the first one is the IP. So, whenever we add some alphabet to this phonic drill, that is IP, it gives a different sound. So, let's read the words and find out the sounds very clearly. So, that says S-I-P, sip, T-I-P, tip, D-I-P, dip, R-I-P, rip, H-I-P, hip, I-T. So, P-I-T, pit, S-I-T, sit, B-I-T, bit, K-I-T, kit, and F-I-T, fit. After that, next phonic drill that we have is I-N. So, D-I-N, tin, W-I-N, win, B-I-N, bin, P-I-N, pin, F-I-N, fin. After that, we have the ID phonic drills. So, let's read the words with the ID phonic drills. So, K-I-D, kid, L-I-D, lid, B-I-D, bid, H-I-D, hid, and D-I-D, did. Next that we have is the phonic drill, that is I-T-E. So, S-I-T-E, sight, K-I-T-E, kite, B-I-T-E, bite, W-H-I-T-E, white, and W-R-I-T-E, right. So, all these were the phonic drills, and by reading them, you must have identified the sound of the vowel I. So, that was all about this topic. I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something from this. So, thank you so much and have a great day ahead.